Hello children, in continuation to the previous video, we have discussed the structure, how to write the alcohol and how to write the ether, right? Now we are switching to the another functional groups which will be carrying the carbon atom. And that carbon atom is countable, point to be noted. Means that will increase the length of the carbon chain. Fine. So we are going to start with the aldehydes, right? Aldehyde, the functional group is CHO. CHO with one valency free, by which it will be attached to another carbon atom. Its suffix will be al, A-L-L. I told you when I was telling you alcohol, that when you write in running, then here it should be A means joining from the bottom. Then otherwise, if you are not careful and you join from the top, it will become all. All means alcohol. So we have to be very alert. Fine. Now what is the rule? Write the name of the chain as an alkane according to the carbon atoms present. Fine. And then replace E of alkane by al. See the example. The first member of the homologous series of aldehyde, it should have only one carbon, point to be noted, and that carbon is present in the functional group. That means here what will be there? Only hydrogen. That element is having valency 1. So what is that? HCHO. HCHO is the first member of this homologous series. How shall we write down? HC double bond OH, right? As I told you, write as an alkane. Only one carbon atom is there. So what will be the alkane by one carbon? It is methane. Fine. Rule says that replace E by ALL. What do I do? I replace E of methane by ALL. Right? So what is the IUPAC name of this? Methanol. The IUPAC name will be methanol. And the general name will be formaldehyde. Right? Now, the second member should have 2 carbon. So the one carbon is of the functional group CHO, and I have added one more carbon. Okay. So now altogether 2 carbon are there. So by the 2 carbon, which alkane will be there? Ethane. I write it here, ethane. Fine. And now what shall I do? Replace E of alkane by the word ALL. So what is the name of this compound? Ethanol. And the general name is acetaldehyde. Right? Now, third member I will draw in front of you. Third member should have how many carbon? 3 carbon. You may have this thing also, that you can be asked to draw the structure of the third member of the aldehydic series. So how shall we draw? See, first of all, draw the functional group which has to be there in the chain. Now one carbon you have drawn, or you have to draw third, means you should have 3 carbon altogether. So one carbon you have drawn of the functional group. So how many more to draw? 2 more. I draw 2 more. 1 and 2. Put the hydrogen. Yes. So once you have drawn the hydrogen, your molecule and its structure is complete. Now you have to give the name to this compound. So how many carbon are there? 3 carbons are there. So from 3 carbon, which alkane used to be there? Propane. Propane. Right. And then what I am supposed to do? I will replace E by al. A-L-L. So the name of the compound will be propanol. And the general name will be propanaldehyde. But general name in the ICSE only the 2 names are asked usually. Asked means given the formula rarely by the 2 general name. Otherwise you are not supposed to write the general name. Fine. So in that way children, we may write down another 2 more. The methanol, ethanol, propanol. then another will be butanol, and our last will be pentanol. Fine. You draw these two structure, and the confusion you can discuss it. You can ask your question in the question box. Thank you, children.